Okay, so issue
Yeah.
basically, I'm going to make things super simple for you. Okay,
Okay.
you've learned Facebook ads, right? You've learned
Yes.
traffic, you've learned funnels, you've learned landing pages, you've learned
Yes.
how to use fan pages and create angles, correct?
Okay. Yes.
You did create a complete funnel for Santa, where Santa letters where we have to stop because of the offer was expired,
Yeah.
right?
Yeah.
Now, I just want to make things, uh, simple for you, right? So that you can get out of this vicious circle that CPA marketing is complicated. Okay. I
Okay.
just want you
Okay.
to feel relaxed with CPA marketing. Okay. Now, take it this
Okay.
way. CPA marketing. What is how to make money with CPA marketing? Okay.
Okay.
So it's like three steps. Three steps. Step one,
Okay.
find find a good offer. Example, an offer for which potential audience can be discovered. You getting my point?
Okay.
So let's say you last time you came up with the idea of Santa, right? Because Christmas was coming and that was the right offer at the right time, correct?
Yes.
Now, in this time you're promoting smart socket, right? Because smart socket is something like everybody things are getting smart. People are using more cell phones, and smart socket is something that relates more to cell phones, correct? So that
Yes.
could be one offer for which you might end up getting potential audience. So you have a lot of options
Okay.
for smart socket, right? So step one, find a good offer, uh, and the offer should have like if you a potential audience can be discovered for that offer. Okay. Step two, create the traffic funnel and sales funnel for that offer. Okay.
Okay.
And step three step step three, start sending traffic. Okay. Now, what you need to make sure is when you're sending traffic, the only thing you have to make sure is try to get the traffic cost as low as possible. Okay. Now,
Okay.
CPA marketing is all about promoting an offer, okay, with less ad cost and making sure you profit.
Okay.
Okay, do not treat this as a complex marketing thing, because what students do is they're like, okay, CPA marketing, creating funnels, blah blah blah. No, you have been provided with a smart socket, done for you campaign, right? And you know it includes all the components for the traffic funnel and the sales funnel, correct?
Okay.
Makes sense. So
Yes.
keep things simple. Like for the first 3 days, like always make a goal for the first 3 days. In the first 3 days, you're going to find an offer and see potential audience of it. In the next 3 days, you're going to make the traffic funnel and the sales funnel for it. And in the last 3 days, you're going to start sending traffic. Okay. What you have to make
Okay.
sure is when you start sending traffic, two things is something that you have to make sure. Two things. Okay. Number one, number one, you are collecting leads down the line from the traffic. Okay. Number two, you are sending autoresponder emails to the people, to the audience. Okay. Because
Okay.
when you're buying traffic, the traffic platform does not care how much you're paying them. Okay. The only thing that is going to help you convert things would be your back end funnel. And these two things is where you will make money. You getting my point?
Yeah. Okay.
Right?
Yes.
Now, whenever you are doing, whenever you're working online, always make a note of things. Make a task list. Okay. So for now, what I need you to do is to make your life easy. I need you to do the following exercise on the same notepad.